In a world torn by conflict and chaos, one voice echoed the power of peace, hope, and love. That voice was Martin Luther King Jr. His words were not just speeches, they were sparks of a revolution. Let's relive 20 timeless quotes that continue to inspire the soul and awaken humanity. I have a dream. This is more than a quote. It's a vision. A dream where people are not judged by skin, but by character. It still whispers in the hearts of those who fight for equality. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. If we ignore wrong in one corner of the world, it silently grows everywhere. Justice is one. Break it anywhere, and it shakes the whole foundation. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. You can't end hate with hate. Only love can heal. Only light can guide the way through the darkest times. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. You may not know the future, but courage means beginning, even if the end is unknown. That first step is where miracles begin. The time is always right to do what is right. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Right is right. Now is the time. Justice delayed is justice denied. Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Your life's value isn't what you gain, but what you give. In service, we discover our true strength. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. Silence is not peace. When we stop speaking truth, our soul begins to die. Stand, speak, act. Love is the only force capable of transforming an enemy into a friend. Real strength is not in destroying others, it's in winning them with love. Even enemies melt before compassion. The arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends toward justice. Justice may take time, but truth never fails. It may bend, but it never breaks. Let no man pull you so low as to hate him. Hatred poisons the soul. No one is worth losing your peace. Stay above the hate. Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed. Power never gives itself away. Change comes only when the oppressed rise with unity and courage. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. Failure is temporary. Hope is forever. No matter the fall, rise again with faith. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, keep moving forward. No matter your condition, never stop. Slow progress is better than standing still. True peace is not merely the absence of tension, it is the presence of justice. Peace isn't just calm, it's fairness. Without justice, peace is only silence. A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. Leaders don't follow crowds, they shape direction. They turn chaos into clarity with vision. Nonviolence is a powerful and just weapon. Peaceful resistance shakes empires. It wounds no one, yet changes everything. We may have all come on different ships, but we're in the same boat now. Our pasts may differ, but our future is shared. Only unity can carry us through the storm. Only in the darkness can you see the stars. Tough times reveal hidden beauty. In sorrow, hope begins to shine. I have decided to stick with love. Hate is too great a burden to bear. Hatred is heavy, love is light, freeing and healing. Choose love always. Change does not roll in on the wheels of inevitability, but comes through continuous struggle. Change doesn't come automatically. It needs courage, struggle, and persistence. Keep pushing.